Welcome, in front of me I have LG K62 Plus and I will show you how I can activate Hey Google. So you have to go for the Google app, find more, move to the settings, find voice, click on the voice match, and then we got Hey Google option. So to activate we have to click on the switcher. Click next, tap right here, click agree and say for the 2 times OK Google, OK Google, and for the 2 times Hey Google. And the last one, Hey Google. Click finish, and right now we can use our voice command. Hey Google. As you can see, it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.